I just wanted to have a look at the price of gold. I'm currently in this position at the moment. I am in the August futures and I'm wanting the markets to go up. I am long in this, but I actually wanted to have a look at the spot price of gold, see what's happening because the gold market is on quite a thin ground at the moment. And there's a very good possibility we could break down, but at the same time, there's also a very good possibility that we could rally up. So either or gold in the next couple of days or even in the next week, there's going to be potentially a rise in the price or a fall in the price, and it's going to provide a very good possible opportunity to get long or short. I am net long. However, over the next coming days or this week, I'll be able to determine whether that was right or wrong in terms of the positioning. If it is wrong, I'd look to go short. It is the 20th of July. My name's Tyrone, and you're watching Minipip. The price of gold is influenced a lot by the US dollar, and the US dollar is a constitution of six currencies, which is the euro, the pound, and a few others. You've got the Aussie dollar, and so on. And the problem here is that the US dollar is testing its trend line resistance, and there's a very good possibility that we could break that. And if we do, we're going up to about 93.50, followed by, if we can break that, potentially 94.50. So there's a very good possibility that if the US dollar breaks out today or tomorrow, we head up just to there, which confirms that we have actually broken that. And then we'll see potentially a test back and then potentially a rally up to that 94, sort of 94.50 area. And if we do get that, there's a good possibility that gold is going to pull back. If we look at the chart, that 93.50 area is going to prove pretty difficult as you've got the 100 EMA coming in there. If we look over to the gold charts, it really is at this current moment in time battling with those moving averages. And as you can see, if we zoom in a little bit more, we realistically have to have a close above 1,814, sort of 1,815 today to confirm that we could potentially be going up, in terms of over the next few days or in the next week. If we get a close below 1,808, it could definitely open the door towards 1,800. And then if we break from 1,800, we could be going to 1,790. Now, there is actually a trend line. I have seen a lot of negativity on gold recently. Everybody was bullish um, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then all of a sudden everybody's turned bearish on gold and they think that it's going to go down. Ultimately, there is actually a price rise. So even if the price of gold does fall to that 1,750 level, 1,760 level, there is a trend line all the way back to 2019, which I am following. And that would just simply provide a better opportunity to go long, in my opinion. So if we do see a price, the price fall to 1,750, it looks like a good opportunity to get long. However, if gold can close above 1,815, there is a very good possibility that we could head higher. So I would be looking for a move up to around the highs of last week, which was 1,832. If we can break above that, we could be going towards the gap of 1,860, and if we can continue there, we could potentially be going up to 1,900. I do think with inflation coming about, even if the dollar does rise, there is a good bid for gold to go higher, and ultimately, a lot of people are going to probably start to buy gold. It is non-yielding, so you don't really make money. You only make money on the appreciation of the asset in itself. So if there's an influx of buyers, hopefully it should drive the price up. But even if the price does come down, there is support. So again, I'm looking for break of 1,808 takes us to 1,800, break below 1,800, potentially to 1,780, then 1,750. I would close my position going long if we did break below 1,800, or I'd look to hedge it, and then I would sell the hedge at around 1,750 in preparation to go long, as I still think that this trend line is going to be in play for a little bit longer, and I don't really see for the long term gold going down sort of much further. If it does, then it is what it is. Overall, I would still be net bullish, and at some point, I do think that we will get back to those highs, maybe this back end of this year or quarter one of 2022. that is what I'd be looking for. But currently, if we do fall, I would be a buy on the dips. My name's Tyrone. Thanks for watching.